What's up guys? Kamusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about converting your BDO Gold Mastercard or BDO Visa Gold credit card credit limit into cash. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung paano nga ba i-convert yung available credit limit ng BDO Visa Gold at saka BDO Gold Mastercard credit card ninyo into cash. Pag-uusapan natin kung ilang months nyo siya pwedeng bayaran at saka kung magkano yung pwede nyong i-convert into cash. At the same time, kung magkano yung interest rates at saka yung fees and charges. Kung magkano yung availment fee. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman wag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, BDO Visa Gold and Mastercard Gold holders can convert up to 100% of their available credit limit into cash via Cash It Easy or cash installment programs. So, meaning guys, magkano nga ba yung pwede nyong i-convert into cash mula sa BDO Visa Gold and BDO Gold Mastercard credit card ninyo up to 100%. Ibig sabihin, lahat yon pwede nyong i-convert. Pero, hindi talaga siya yung ibig sabihin na makukuha nyo lahat kung magkano. Like, for example, meron kayong 200,000. So, meaning, 200,000 din yung pwede nyong makuha. Hindi po ganun kasi ibabawas na rin doon yung interest charges niya. Hindi lang yon pati na rin yung availment fee. Like, for example, mag-a-avail kayo ng 100,000 tapos yung credit limit nyo is 100,000 lang din. So, hindi pwede yon. Yung ma-avail nyo lang doon is around 90,000. Depende pa yan kung gaano nyo siya katagal babayaran. Kasi like for example, 1% yung add-on rate niya per month. So yung 90,000, yung magiging 1% niya sa loob ng isang buwan is around 900 pesos. Kaya naman, kung ilang buwan nyo siya babayaran, like for example, 36 months, so 900 times 36, ngayon, kung lumagpas ng 100,000, since 90,000 plus kung magkano yung magiging result ng 900 times 36, so hindi pwede, hindi ma-approve yung converting ng BDO Visa Gold and BDO Gold Mastercard credit limit into cash. Kailangan mas mababa kasi kasama doon na ibabawas sa credit limit ninyo yung interest charges at saka yung availment fee. Featuring low monthly add-on rates and 3 to 36 months terms. Tulad ng sabi ko, yung pinakamataas na pwede nyong bayaran yung ika-cash installment or ika-cash it easy ninyo sa BDO Gold Mastercard or BDO Visa Gold ninyo is up to 36 months. Availment typically minimum of 10,000 pesos. Can be done via BDO Pay app or online or by calling S667-1680. So yung minimum amount na pwede nyong i-avail, like for example, kung magkano yung parang pag sinabing minimum kasi is yun lang yung kailangan nyo talaga, hindi pwedeng bumaba doon. Kasi kapag mas mababa sa minimum amount, hindi ma-approve. Dapat 10,000 above siya. Since 10,000 above yung minimum availment amount. Key details for BDO Gold Credit Card to Cash. Programs, Cash It Easy or Cash Installment, convert credit limit to cash. So yung term na tinatawag doon or yung ginagamit ni BDO when it comes to converting your available credit limit sa BDO Visa Gold and BDO Gold Mastercard is Cash It Easy or Cash Installment. Then amount is up to 100% of available credit limit subject to approval. So subject to approval siya guys kasi mamaya lumagpas sa kung magkano lang yung available credit limit ng BDO Gold Mastercard ninyo or ng BDO Visa Gold. So hindi siya ma-approve kapag lumagpas yung kapag sinama na yung interest charges at saka yung availment fee. Minimum amount is typically 10,000. So yung minimum amount niya is 10,000 per availment. Channels is via BDO Pay application. Click the installment icon. Siguro naman aware kayo sa BDO Pay na sinasabi. Yung BDO Pay na sinasabi ni BDO guys is yung mag-scan to pay kayo. Alam mo yun, nandun yung features na yun. Ganyan. Tapos, BDO Online. Sa BDO Online application, tap mo yung more, then installment offers. So, maraming installment offers na ino-offer si BDO, guys. Pero yung pag-uusapan natin is yung converting into cash. So, meaning, doon kayo sa cash installment. Hotline. Pwede rin kayo tumawag, guys, sa hotline, which is 8667-1680, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. only. Banking days. So, pag sinabing banking days, guys, hindi kasama dito yung weekends at saka yung holidays. branches, you can visit any BDO branch. So kung gusto niyo mag-avail at saka may mas malapit na BDO branch sa inyo, pwede na lang kayo pumunta doon. At least ma-assist kayo ng maayos at may mga katanungan kayo, masasagot agad ni BDO teller. Then ngayon, magkano nga ba yung fees or processing fee? Processing fee of 200 pesos to 350 pesos per approved transaction applies. So as you can see guys, 200 to 350 pesos. But I want to make sure na 350 pesos po yung per availment ng cash installment or cash it easy ni BDO credit card if you are going to convert your BDO Gold Mastercard and BDO Visa Gold credit card credit limit into cash. Rates is monthly add-on rates can be as low as 0.55% to 1% depending on the promo. So magkano nga ba yung interest rates guys per month? Yung interest rates niya is nagre-range up to 0.55% to 1%. Based sa experience ko guys, bumababa pa ito sa 0.55. Kapag maganda kayo or good payer kayo sa BDO credit cards ninyo, nagbabayad kayo on time sa BDO Gold Mastercard and BDO Visa Gold bills ninyo, talagang wala kayong lapses, nag-o-offer pa sila ng mas bababa dyan sa 0.55%. O di ba laking tipid? Alternative is you can avail cash advance via ATM, requires PIN with 200 pesos plus interest rates. So kung nagmamadali kayo guys, kasi as we all know, when it comes to availing cash installment or cash it easy, may process talaga siya. Kailangan nyo tumawag sa BDO customer service or pumunta pa kayo sa nearest BDO branch para mag-avail. Ngayon, kung nagmamadali kayo, you can use this feature which is yung cash advance. So, yun nga lang guys is 200 pesos siya per availment, then interest rate niya is 3% per month. Mas mataas talaga siya compared to BDO Cash It Easy or cash installment. But the thing is, pwede mo siya makuha agad. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-antay ng certain period of time for approval. Kailangan nyo mag-antay para ma-deposit sa account ninyo. Automatic yun ma-approve or ma-avail ninyo kapag may cash advance PIN kayo. Yun nga lang, 3% yung interest rates niya. Ang kaiba naman is, hanggat hindi nyo siya nababayaran, like for example, di ba sa cash installment or cash it easy, talagang may fixed monthly amortization siya. Dito naman is wala. As long as hindi nyo nababayaran yung 10,000 na yun, tuloy-tuloy yung 3% doon every month. Kasi hanggat hindi nyo nababayaran na fully paid yun, kahit 500 pesos na lang yung natitira sa kinash advance ninyo, like for example, 10,000. So may 500 na lang na hindi nyo nababayaran, 3% pa rin yung ipapatong sa 10,000. So yung 500 na yun, tutubo pa rin ng 3% hanggang hindi nyo na fully paid yung in-avail ninyong cash advance sa BDO Gold Mastercard and BDO Visa Gold Credit Card ninyo. Mga kailangan yung tandaan guys, when it comes to availing your BDO Visa Gold and BDO Gold Mastercard credit limit into cash, make sure lang guys na kailangan dapat yung mabayaran talaga yung, like for example, nag-cash it easy kayo or cash installment. Kung magkano yung binigay nila na monthly amortization, it's a good idea guys na mabayaran nyo talaga siya on time to avoid penalties at saka yung lapses na sinasabi. Kasi kapag may lapses kayo guys, magre-reflect talaga yan doon sa record ninyo at magkakaroon kayo ng red flag sa record ni BDO. Kaya naman in the future, maaari kayong hindi ma-approve. Kaya naman make sure lang guys na be mindful when it comes to using your BDO Visa Gold and BDO Gold Mastercard credit limit. Make sure lang guys na kaya nyong bayaran para hindi kayo nahihirapan in the future. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!